Hey everybody, Jennifer here. I hope you're doing well. And I just wanted to show you we are going to get lots of snow from Winter Storm Octavia, and this is just the beginning. So yeah, it's covering the snow, and that's our neighbor's house, and that's the apartment complex where I live. And yeah, so I'm sure there will be plenty of videos because I know I'm gonna get serious cabin fever. Yep. Oh boy. It's just, there's the front yard. And it's been super cold here too. So, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!